My name is Michelle, and I'm a wife and mother of 7 children. We reside in Northern California, surrounded by the natural beauty of giant redwoods and the Pacific Ocean. My business began with an opportunity to move to the country. After settling in, we added goats to the farm with the intent of drinking the milk, but we soon found out that we were overflowing in milk. We discovered that goat milk is also good for our skin. I began experimenting with recipes for skincare for my friends and family, and One Blessed Acre Farm was born. I started small, with just a few scents and products sold at local craft fairs. Over time, with the encouragement of my family, my business grew and now includes skin and hair care products. What started as simply being on a mission to teach my children entrepreneurial skills, having a desire to educate people on the positive benefits of goat milk through nourishing soaps and lotions, and working together with our local small shops has now become a full-time business for myself, one that I love.